I add a simple VPN application called Rocket VPN. I pretty much show you how to use it at a pro state.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, this is pretty much the old screen, and at the top is where I pretty much go to get connected, or the server section where it says Smart Connect. Let's tap on that option there, and you will see all the servers available. So they only have United States and Canada server, so not much. So you can tap on the circle icon at the top right hand corner here to refresh the server list. But I do recommend let it stay on the Fast Connect server, because it does give you the best server on the application that at the time you're going to use it. Over here you have the app filtering feature, which is the app proxy. It lets you select whichever application you don't want to get connection and which you do. So once you have done that, you can pretty much tap on connect. We'll ask for connection requests. Let's tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much. Very simple, and I can say the servers are fast for this one. And give it a test, comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.